Federal filing might be free, but state filing often costs extra. Here's how to find legitimate ways to file your state return for free with TurboTax. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The most reliable method is, again, through the IRS Free File program. If you qualify for the free federal edition via the IRS website, it often includes one free state return. Outside of that, offers vary by state. Some states have their own free file partnerships. TurboTax also occasionally runs promotions, like free state filing with a paid federal product, but these are not guaranteed. My crucial pro tip: check your state's Department of Revenue website first. Many states offer a free, official e-file portal for residents, regardless of income. It might be separate from TurboTax, but it's truly free. You can prepare your federal in TurboTax, then use the numbers to file directly with your state. Don't assume you have to pay for state filing. Explore your official options. Does your state have a good free file option? Name it below to help others. For more tips on cutting tax prep costs, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.